So in this question, I have cosecant to the power of 4 theta minus cotan to the power of 4 theta equals to 1 plus cosine squared theta divided by sine squared theta. So right away I convert cosecant to sine and convert cotan to sine and cosine. So cosecant is the inverse of sine, so it's going to be 1 over cosine to the power of 4 theta. Cotan is going to be cosine to the power of 4 theta divided by sine to the power of 4 theta. Since we have the same denominator, I'm going to write sine to the power of 4 theta, 1 minus cosine to the power of 4 theta. Again, based on the difference of squares, a squared minus b squared is going to be equal to a minus b times a plus b. Or I can say a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 will be equal to a squared minus b squared times a squared plus b squared. So based on that, I can factor 1 minus cosine to the power of 4 theta. I can write 1 minus cosine to the power of 2 theta multiplied by 1 plus cosine to the power of 2 theta. And sine to the power of 4 theta, I can write sine squared theta times sine squared theta. And next step, instead of sine squared theta, I can write 1 minus cosine squared theta times sine squared theta, 1 minus cosine squared theta, 1 plus cosine squared theta, here and here. Okay, so what I did here, I converted one of these sine squared to 1 minus cosine squared theta. So these two cancel out, they are the same thing. So I will have 1 plus cosine squared theta divided by sine squared theta. That will be the answer.